Hey, welcome back to my channel where we talk about all things success, mindset, and resilience. If you're ready to make 2025 your most epic year yet, grab a notebook because today I'm sharing a success formula that's going to blow your mind. Spoiler alert, it's not about doing more, it's about doing less, but better. So let's dive in. Let's be real. Everywhere you look, people are shouting, hustle harder, grind till shine, set massive goals and crush them. Sounds inspiring, right? But let me ask you, how often does that leave you feeling burnout and overwhelmed? Most of the time. Here's the truth no one talks about. Success doesn't come from being busy, it comes from being intentional. And that's why today I'm sharing my elimination action formula to help you simplify, focus, and thrive in 2025. Step number two ruthlessly cut what's not serving you. Look, your time is precious. So here is your challenge. Grab a pen and write down everything you do in a typical day. Yes, everything. Now circle the activities that actually move you closer to your goals. Be honest. What's left? You don't need to tell anyone. Here's the key. If something isn't adding value, it's time to let it go. Ask yourself, if I stop doing this today, would it really matter? Chances are it won't. Step number two, replace busyness with bold focus. It's easy to caught up in trying to do everything, but here's the secret. Success loves simplicity. Instead of juggling 10 priorities, pick top 3 non-negotiable ones. These are actions that will have the biggest impact on your goals. For example, deep work instead of endless multitasking. Building quality relationships instead of surface level networking. When you focus your energy, magic happens. Step number 3. Build a mental wealth bank account. Yes. For every big achievements you hit, make a matching deposit into your mental health bank account. Here's how. Start a daily gratitude practice. Spend at least 5 minutes reflecting on what you are thankful for. Practice mindfulness to pause the noise and reset your brain. Move your body. Exercise isn't just for physical health, it fuels your mental clarity too. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. Your mental health is the foundation of your success. So, there you have it. My elimination action formula to make 2025 your year of intentional success and thriving mental health. Now, wait. Here is my challenge for you. Write down one thing you will eliminate today to make space for exponential growth in 2025. Drop it in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. And yes, of course, if you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and share it with someone who really needs to hear this message. Let's make 2025 this year we rise, simplify, and succeed on our terms. See you in the next video.